Ladies and gentlemen, look at the time. Lewis is in Blackburn and says, Greg, please can I have a go at cowboy time? I know you've pretty much sacked it off, but today is my last day of work before I leave for Australia. He's tugged at my heartstrings there. I'm giving him a call. Lewis? 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 Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's try again. There was something weird going on there. Oh, what is that? What's with this phone? Drunk. Boop, boop. Lewis? What is happening with that line? There's something weird there. Do I try one more time on the different phone? Hang on. Let me plug this iPhone into the radio station and see if we can get it to work. Right. 5, 2.
You make it sound like this is unusual.
Say again.
You said you make it sound like this is unusual. We plug that phone in every day.
No, I know, but it's just.
Hello?
Lewis!
I'm here.
You're here, but you're here. But I've got a question. What time is it? Okay.
Oh no.
That's a shame. That is a shame. Do we call him again? Well, that buries it, doesn't it? That's the end. That's the end of cowboy time as we know it. It's a fail. It's a huge fail. Thanks a lot, Lewis. You ruined the party for everyone. Enjoy the money, Jane. I hope it makes you very happy. Oh, sad.
When you don't realize you're in the moment until it's a memory.
Exactly. Rest in peace, cowboy time.